Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 6 divide 6 by 5 times 5. So what people do, they cancel out the 5 with 5 and 6 divided by 6 as 1. Don't answer too fast like this. This is a wrong answer. Yes, you heard it right. When in an expression you have given multiple operations like division, and after division there is an multiplication, then you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first you have to solve the parenthesis, bracket, then exponent if given, then multiplication and division both have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So let's solve this with the help of PEMDAS rule. So first solve the multiplications. So this division converts into multiplication and this becomes 5 by 6 times 5. Now we can cancel out this 6 with 6. So what is left? 5 times 5, that is 25. So what is the correct answer? 25, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.